Hey, we're gonna do an 8 on a hand warm up. Well, 8 on a hand just simply means that we're doing 8 strikes of the stick to the pad per hand on each hand and going back and forth. So the most important thing here is really learning how to control the sticks, be able to rebound them from the pad. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start at this position right here, stick straight up, and I'm gonna throw my stick down using my wrist and finger motion here to throw the stick down, and then it'll bounce right back up, just like that. So we're doing 8 of them, right and 8 left, and just repeating that. All right, there you go. See you in the next one. Okay, we're gonna do single strokes and double strokes. Here we go. So for singles, we're doing right, left, back and forth. You can also do left hand lead. I encourage you to do right hand lead and then left hand lead. That just means start with your right hand, start with your left hand. For this exercise here, I'll start with my right. Single strokes, here we go. And you want to do that for a good 5 straight minutes. Okay, now we're going to do doubles. It's just 2 on each hand. And again, just repeat, repeat, repeat. The idea here is gaining great stick control, having good rebounds, and control of the sticks as you're throwing them down and rebounding them back up. Okay, there you go. Have some fun. See you at the next one.